I am in my Google Drive now. I'm going to click the new, then Google Docs, which is this one, and then a blank document, and I'm going to name it. I'll call mine Master Coaching Agreement. I'm going to call this one Master Coaching Agreement. Master Coaching Agreement. Try that nicely. Master Coaching Agreement. And then I will show that this is a template. So I'm going to write a template there. Sorry. Templates. The word template in the name helps you remember never to send this document directly. It's the master copy 𝐒𝐭𝐞 will always copy from. So you'll not be able to send this directly. It's actually a template, to be precise. Then now we can start building our document, our agreement document. So I'll walk you through each section. At the top center, your title, Master Coaching Agreement. So maybe you can write something here. You call it Master Coaching Agreement. Master Coaching Agreement. And it's good to put it at the center, not something like that. You can even add a bit of the font so it looks like our heading. And then once we write that one as our title, below it we can add something like below it we can add something like this. This agreement is entered on. This agreement is entered on. And then type your first placeholder is entered on. Your first placeholder. Remember, we said you put these two curly brackets. So your first placeholder would be date, and you see I've not spaced it. You just write date immediately that way, and then you, without spacing again, you put those two curly brackets to close that. Why is that so? 𝐒𝐭𝐞.𝐜 will fill in that date automatically. 𝐒𝐭𝐞.𝐜 will fill in that date automatically. And this is what we are doing. That is what you're doing. We're moving. Then we grow it, the document that I created, because if this placeholder do not match 𝐒𝐭𝐞.𝐜, you will end up getting the errors. So you must initiate this change where you have, if we had the spacing between coach and name, we are ensuring that there's no spacing in between the placeholders, and then of course our form will be ready to match.